According to legend, coffee was discovered by an Ethiopian goat herder called Cowdy when he noticed his goats jumping around after eating a particular type of berry. Cowdy ate a few of these berries himself, and he noticed similar effects. Excitedly, he took a batch to his local monastery, but the monks frowned upon the berry's stimulating effects during prayer, so they threw the remaining beans into the fire. However, the fragrance emanating from the roasting beans enticed them to rescue the beans, which they ground and mixed into hot water and drank. Thus, the first cup of coffee was born. Now, legends being legends, this one may or may not be true, but what is known is that coffee was widely consumed for centuries in the Islamic regions of North Africa and the Middle East. It wasn't until the 1600s that coffee was introduced to Europe via the dealings of Venetian traders with their Islamic counterparts. In 1616, the Dutch merchant Peter van der Broek smuggled some live coffee plants back to Amsterdam, where they thrived and were eventually transplanted to the East Indies for cultivation. While coffee had a foothold in the Americas by the 1700s, it wasn't until the American Revolution when patriotic Americans switched to drinking coffee because of tea's association with England. These days, we drink over 2 billion cups of coffee every day around the world. Over half of Americans 18 years or older drink coffee every day. It is our most valuable traded commodity after crude oil.